Well, let's go see it. Come on, let's go look at him. Whoa. All right, monkey, get down. Let's go look at the fish. Look at the manatee. That's the manatee right there. Come on, let's go look at him. Come on. Come on, crazy. Come on, you need to go to the bathroom. Let's go. I saw that. That was awesome. They can't hurt you. Come on. All right, let's go. They can't hurt you. Remember, there's glass. There's glass right there. Look at him. Look at him. He can't hurt you, baby. Look at here. Touch the glass. 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 Look, he can't hurt you. See, look at him up there. Isn't that cool? All right, Daddy's going to get you some video. Don't freak out. All right, are they hurting you? No. That's pretty funny, though. Look at all those turtles down there. Look at that big turtle on the ground right there. Isn't that cool? That's where we were upstairs. Remember I told you that we could see him?